Hello, students. To continue the benign tumors of the breast, today I shall be talking about cysts in the breast. The cyst in the breast may be multiple, may be single, may be in the one breast, or may be bilateral. Why the cyst appears? This appears due to non-integrated involution of glandular elements or epithelium and the interstitial tissues of the breast. Due to non-integrated involution after the middle age or in last decade of reproductive life, the cysts appear. It may appear suddenly. On examination, it is firm in consistency and it simulates carcinoma. Then, if the swelling feels cystic, what are investigations? First investigation is ultrasonography. Second is aspiration. If ultrasonography designates it to be a cystic swelling, then we go for aspiration. If serous fluid comes out from the cyst on aspiration and the lump disappears, then patient should be washed. In 30% of cases, usually there is a recurrence of the swelling. You may aspirate for second time if the fluid is serous. But if the fluid is blood stained, number one, and number two, or if the lump remains after aspiration, in that case, fine needle aspiration cytology, FNAC, or core biopsy under US guidance should be done. Histopathology, if positive for carcinoma, then treat it like carcinoma. If negative, still the lump is to be excised or the cyst is to be excised. Usually in that age, after middle age, if it contains carcinoma, that is known as cyst adenocarcinoma, that is common in elderly women. And this is about cyst in the breast. Then coming to galactocele. Galactocele is, as the name indicates, milk-filled cystic lump. It is subareolar. The lump dates back to lactation. Sometimes the wall of the galactocele that get calcified. Aspiration is the treatment in the beginning, but if aspiration does not cure the cystic swelling or galactocele, then excision with the involved segment of the duct should be done. Then after the cysts of the breast and galactocele, we come to fibroadenoma. Previously we called it mouse in the breast because it seems to be moving in the breast freely. Fibroadenoma is a tumor of the young age. Sometimes it is present in elderly people. Common age of presentation is 15 to 25 years. Size is usually 2 to 3 centimeters, but may be smaller, may be larger. It is usually capsulated. Larger tumors or fibroadenoma more than 5 centimeters in size is called giant fibroadenoma. What are investigations? Sonomammography. Then go for FNSC. The cells of fibroadenoma, they are typical. Malignancy is absent. It rarely, very rarely can turn into malignancy, especially giant fibroadenoma. The treatment is enucleation or excision of the tumor. It is curative. Fibroadenoma may be multiple in one breast. It may be bilateral. I have removed so many bilateral cases of fibroadenoma in young unmarried girls. Then after fibroadenoma, we shall be talking about a tumor that is known as phylloides tumor. Phylloides tumor is also known as cystosarcoma phylloides or serocystic disease of Brody. It is a large tumor in the breast, may be massive, fast growing. Skin over the swelling is normal in the beginning, but later on, with passage of time, the skin gets ulcerated due to pressure necrosis. On examination, phylloides tumor or cystosarcoma phylloides is freely mobile. Skin is also mobile over the lump. The margin of the swelling is oscillated. It is form in consistency, may be variable, may be part of the tumor may be soft. Axillary nodes are usually not involved. Diagnosis of the swelling or cystosarcoma phylloides is clinical. It occurs in younger women. Then we go for FNSC. Malignancy is excluded. And core biopsy. In core biopsy, the different types of ATP are present in the cells. Less number of mitotic cells, lesser chances of getting it malignant. But if mitotic figures are high, in that case, chances of malignancy is also high. So, diagnosis by clinical examination, history, then FNSC core biopsy and mammography. Treatment is wide local excision of the tumor. If the tumor is massive, involving the whole of breast, if the tumor is recurrent, and if malignant ATP are present in core biopsy, then treatment is mastectomy. Then if any of the breast swelling is benign, maybe from fibroadenosis to fibroadenoma, cyst in the breast, or the phylloides tumor. If there is family history of breast carcinoma in the mother or in any of the sister, this is important prediction for future malignancy. So this is important In my next class, I shall be discussing the malignant tumors of the breast.